Making coffee. Selecting the coffee taste. The appliance is set by default to make coffee with a standard taste. You can also choose one of these tastes: extra mild taste, mild taste, standard taste, strong taste, extra strong taste. To change the taste, press the Aroma Selection button repeatedly until the required taste is displayed. Selecting the quantity of coffee in the cup. The appliance is set by default to make a standard quantity of coffee. To select the quantity of coffee, press the Select Coffee Quantity button until the message corresponding to the required quantity of coffee is displayed. Customizing the My Coffee quantity. The appliance is set by default to automatically deliver 30 milliliters of My Coffee. To modify this quantity, proceed as follows. Place a cup under the coffee spouts. Press the Select Coffee Quantity button until My Coffee is displayed. Keep the 1 cup of coffee button pressed until the message 1 My Coffee program quantity is displayed and coffee delivery begins. Release the button. As soon as the coffee in the cup reaches the required level, press the 1 cup of coffee button again. The quantity of coffee in the cup has now been programmed.